Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and no kitchen is worth its salt without pots and pans. But it can be difficult to keep them organized. So that's why I really like this Playoos pot organizer. The reason why I love this is that you can adjust the length of it depending on how much room you have in your cabinet. I like the little silicone feet down here at the bottom because it allows it to not scratch the bottom of the cabinet. They have these small dividers that you can click into the little slots in here. And what's nice about that is that when you lock it into the ending part here, that's what locks the entire thing in place and keeps its length. So if you want it short, if you want it long, it all depends on where you place one of those dividers in the middle. So I really like this. It has this zigzag groove pattern in the middle, which helps just keeping your pots and pans in place. I really like it. Before, it was just difficult having everything stacked on top of each other. To lift all your pans up just to get to the one. It's nice to just have them in their separate individual slots, and whichever one you need, you can easily just pull it out. And if you have it pushed back in the cabinet, you have room for the handles of the pots and pans to hang out so that you all are able to close the cabinet door with ease. I think this is really nice. It has made such a difference to be able to just grab the pot and pan that I need without having to struggle or strain myself to get to it. So I think this is a great thing to have. If you have lots of pots and pans, it's going to give you more space. I think you're going to love it. My family definitely has loved it, and that's our point of view.